Hello, friends. Hope you are safe at your home. Stay home, stay safe. Friends, in last few lectures, we have discussed about origin and development of Indian writing in English. In yesterday's lecture, we remembered Rabindranath Tagore, Gurudev, on the occasion of his death anniversary. As a tribute, on the occasion of his death anniversary, we are going to deal with his famous short story, The Kabuliwala. Friends, before going into details of the story Kabuliwala, we will learn about Rabindranath Tagore's life and his contribution to literary world. We will see the elements like birth and Rabindranath Tagore's education, his contribution in the establishment of Vishwabharati. We will also see his contribution to literary world, then how he was awarded Nobel Prize for Literature and his contribution to the national anthems of three countries, India, Sri Lanka and Bangladesh. Friends, Rabindranath Tagore was born on the 6th May 1861 in Calcutta, now called Kolkata. He belonged to an aristocratic, artistic family of painters, composers, and writers. He was brought up in such a creative and socially progressive atmosphere. This creative atmosphere helped him to gain a deeper interest in wide learning of many fields like music, literature, painting, philosophy, and religion. He was educated at home and then sent to England for formal schooling when he was 17. He returned to India without finishing his studies. His real education came from the circumstances of his life and environment. He started an experimental school named Shanti Niketan, where he tried his Upanishadic ideals of education. Later, the school Shanti Niketan expanded into world famous Vishwabharati University. Now we will talk about Rabindranath Tagore's contribution to literary world. Here there is a typographical mistake in the spelling of a world. Friends, Tagore is a prolific writer who handled successfully all the literary forms like poetry, fiction, drama, and philosophical writings. Tagore primarily wrote in Bengali, but he himself translated his many works into English. In addition, he introduced new styles of prose and verse and promoted the use of colloquial language in Bengali literature. Friends, a thing of pride for Indian people is that in 1913, Tagore was awarded the Nobel Prize in Literature for his poetical collection named as Gitanjali. So he became an international figure and a celebrity. As Rabindranath Tagore contributed to poetical section, at the same time he wrote very famous dramas like Sannyasi, Nalini, Chitra, Raja, Dagghar, Malini, and Chandalika. At the same time, he is acclaimed for his prose fiction like Hungry Stones and other stories. The Home and the World, Gora, and Broken Twice and other stories. Tagore himself set music for his songs. Rabindranath Tagore also composed national anthems of India, Sri Lanka, and Bangladesh. Such a great, versatile personality breathed his last on the 7th August 1941. This is the brief introduction to author of the story Kabuliwala. Now we will see about the short story. Friends, the story Kabuliwala is taken from Rabindranath Tagore's famous short story collection named Hungry Stones and Other Stories, published in 1916. The story, The Kabuliwala, deals with human relationships, friendship, and fatherly love. The story Kabuliwala is a very interesting story. We get examples of human relationships, friendship, and fatherly love. The story revolves around the life of Kabuliwala. A term refers that a fruit seller from Kabul named Abdul Rahman. In the beginning of the story, Kabuliwala meets a young girl named Mini who makes a great impression on him and reminds him his own girl named Parvati, whom he left back home, Afghanistan. The Kabuliwala imagines Mini as his daughter and establishes a rapport with the girl by offering some dry fruits. Tagore has beautifully portrayed the unique bond of friendship of the Kabuliwala and Mini. Apart from their friendship, Tagore has sketched three examples of fatherly love: the love between the narrator and his daughter Mini, the Kabuliwala and his own daughter Parvati, and third one is the Kabuliwala and Mini. Friends, we become so very happy when we see the human relationships and three examples of fatherly love. In the beginning of the short story, we will see the fatherly love between the narrator himself, Rabindranath Tagore, and his daughter Mini. Rabindranath Tagore presented himself as a writer in this story. He was always busy in his novel writing, and he always remains in his study room. But Mini frequently comes in his study room and asks so many curious questions. And before answering her father, she herself replies to her question. We see how interesting questions and answers by the Mini. This filial love causes deep effect on the reader's mind as well as his heart. Now friends, we will see the main characters in the short story. There are only 5 main characters in the story, The Kabuliwala. There are very few characters minor characters in this story like Bhola, Minnie's friend. The first character of the story is the narrator himself. Rabindranath Tagore presented himself as a narrator of the story. He narrated the story in third person form. The narrator is an unnamed first person narrator of the story and Minnie's father. The narrator describes himself as a writer who lives in Calcutta, India. The events of the story largely take place in narrator's study room, where he is busy in writing a novel, and just outside of his house, the narrator loves his only child, Minnie. The Kabuliwala, the second character is Kabuliwala. His real name is Abdul Rahman, but he is popularly known as Kabuliwala because he belongs to Kabul from Afghanistan. Kabuliwala is a peddler, a fruit seller from Kabul, Afghanistan, who comes India every year to sell dry fruits. He wears the loose soiled clothing of his country and a tall turban. Kabuliwala befriends with the narrator's 5-year-old daughter Minnie, and he established a very good rapport with Minnie. In the whole story, we will see the friendship and fatherly love between the Kabuliwala and Minnie. The third character is Minnie. Minnie is the only child of the narrator. At the beginning of the story, Minnie described as a chattering girl of 5 years old. In the beginning of the short story, Minnie asks frequent questions to her parents. She is very close with her father and spends a lot of time in her father's study room asking endless questions. Later, she befriends with the Kabuliwala and develops a unique bond of friendship with him. And the whole story revolves around the friendship between the Kabuliwala and Minnie. The fourth character of the short story is Minnie's mother. Just as narrator Rabindranath Tagore represented himself as unnamed, in this way he presented Minnie's mother is also unnamed character, like the narrator in the story. She is described as a common mother, common Indian mother, who always cares about her daughter. She is afraid of a new person and doubts about the Kabuliwala as a kidnapper of children. The fifth character is Parvati. Parvati is Kabuliwala's beloved daughter back in Kabul, Afghanistan. Kabuliwala only mentions his daughter at the end of the story when he reveals to the narrator that he always carries around a paper with her handprint on it to remind him of her. Friends, in this lecture, we have focused on biographical elements of Rabindranath Tagore. At the same time, I have focused on major themes in the story The Kabuliwala, and we have seen the major characters in the Kabuliwala. With this, I am looking forward to see you again. Thank you.